Eleni Shia here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. Today I want to do a bloom with a neutral background, like a beige background, with a predominantly white bloom and a darker centre. So I'm excited. Let's go make some art. My colours for my bloom today, I have fluorescent mild yellow, chocolate brown, metallic gold deco art, and pearl strawberry red by Arteza, and these are Magic Fly. I also have a cell activator which is Mars Black, but as you can see it has interference gold in it. And these colours just really lovely. They have some iridescent and fluorescent qualities. And this one's the pearl. Okay, let's get started. I have a warm beige, which I mixed with white, some gold and a tiny bit of grey black. And because I want to use some white in the bloom. Look, and it's really lovely. I like this neutral palette, which is perfect for my sister. These colours are soft and at the same time vibrant. cells and lacing. Really, really pretty. And that's red strawberry blonde. I mean strawberry red. That's gonna be quite pearly when it's dry. Okay, so I will show you when it's dry. Okay, this one dried beautifully. Look at the iridescent colours changing. That one sort of, they're changing from blue to green to more yellow. And up there as well. Some of the details are really pretty in the gold. I did add a little bit of extra gold. And this pearl strawberry red is just stunning. Just gives it that depth. And the lacing and some selling there. Really, really, really pretty. It is just so sparkly. Love it. I'm going to do another 2 with this background, the neutral background, because I think the white petals stand out really nicely. The white in the petals, I should say. Really, really lovely. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.